My name is Karine. I am professional voice-over talent. It's been like 12 years till now.
My name is Eliane. I'm an actress and drama teacher. I have an experience in this field for more than 11 years.
We brought all the information that fall under voice-over, and then we went through the type of voice-over. They chose in each group the type that they liked the most.
We helped the students choose their acting pieces. They were split into different groups where they rehearsed and practiced different techniques.
And they presented even on the stage
using their body language, facial expression, and how to make their character believable.
Voice-over doesn't have to be your profession. But if you are learning more about voice-over, about how you present yourself, how you can show the world that you are there and that you are heard, it works only on your personality.
In this drama and voice-over workshop, students will explore their emotions, expand their imagination, and develop their own voices.
It was such a fun experience to come here in ADWAR and trying to act out on stage with real-life audience. I had such a fun experience learning how to act, how to speak, how to act in front of the audience.
The workshop was a balance between theory and practice, and I can see that the students loved it a lot. Thank you very much for the experience.
I had so much fun, new experience, and I think I learned a lot.
I had a lovely time and it was a great experience. I definitely recommend it to a friend or family member.
It was really nice coming here and to see our talent, what we have in Greenwood International School. We look forward for further collaborations.